Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Into this video I have a Chanel vintage find for you guys, and a same designer exchange outlet that I found this bag, and this is a vintage like I mentioned to you guys. And so I just got it today. I always film right away when I purchase, no, when I got the item, because I don't want to wait, guys, because I want to see right away the bag if it's a good conditions or what. So let's open it. They always give me really big DHL bag. That's the always do in DHL. Oh my lord. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you love the bag as much as we do. And so yeah, from Designer Exchange, that's actually the pre-love market that I always purchase. And not only that is, and it comes with Camilla and a ribbon. And this is the bag. I mean, the bag is like beat up. Anyway, move on to the unboxing. I'm really glad that it comes with a box. Didn't put this one in the description. And it also comes with a shopping bag. So, oh, you have a ribbon as well. And this Camilla and a ribbon. So let's put this down. And there she is, guys. Another Chanel find, and this is the vintage one. Hopefully, fingers crossed that this is really good condition. And the other one, like I said, I don't think it's worth it to keep anyway. I can smell it already that this. Ooh. Are you guys ready what I purchased for? Ta-da! This is the chocolate bar. I think it's called, yeah, CC chocolate bar in patent leather. I found another patent leather, guys. It's quite sticky though. The condition of this is really great. That's what it is. It's really great. And this is the silver hardware. You see that? And CC chocolate bar hobo bag. Yes, that what it is, a hobo bag. So look at this, and this is really good price, and I can see this is really good condition. Oh my god, I'm really glad that I purchased right away for this, because in their websites, guys, if they have this one in stock, people like purchase right away because you can return anyway within 28 days. And the one thing I like this one is adjustable, and I don't know how you can do that. Okay, there you go. I just do like that, and then pretty sure just slide it. Okay, it's very stiff to slide this thing. So I'm looking at this, so I see like a green spot. I guess this is from the, I admit this is vintage anyway, so I just keep doing it, guys, until I go all the way down, because that one, the other one that they just do, it just do. There you go. So I was planning to do like this, and whereas this one, to be honest with you guys, this is really good condition. And even though they have like a green stuff in here from the metal, as you can see, as well as the back. And let's see, the inside is made in France. It's like a suede. It's like a plain suede. I've been searching for this particular one. The one I seen is like actually the interior is like have Chanel everywhere, and I don't know how to spot if it's fake or not. And so let me see, The zipper is, I'm not sure. You can tell as well the zipper. So this one in here have Chanel, and this is made in France. Let's see, CC Chanel, and comes with authenticity card, and it comes with this as well. Have you guys have this one for the vintage one? Because I don't know, and probably way back before they just used this particular one. Oh, look at those. Huh. Do not wash. I don't know what it is, but maybe way back before they will give you this. So anyway, I'm gonna check every details of this, and it has really authenticity card for this, and yeah, it comes with it authenticity card. I'm just trying to match. Well, even though in the fake one they can do that, yeah, it's much actually. The dang, it's so dirty, and it has compartment in here. I'm really glad that you can pull this out and put it back in this bag. I'm gonna put this back, guys. So yeah, so it has two compartments in here where the zipper is and one it's not. So yeah, the one that I seen, it has like a, it's like Chanel everywhere in the interior, but this one doesn't have. I'm not sure it's the same bag that I checked, but overall it's really good bag at all. It's good condition. I seen a little bit of a creasing in here, but it's not peeling at all. But like I said, it's so cute, and yeah, I really love this. This is the patent bag, the first patent bag that I own. As you can see, guys, it's really cute, and they will tell you anyway. So it comes with a tag, original bags, dust bag with the city card. What else in here, guys? It didn't tell you what's the name of the bag, but when I look in the website, there were CC chocolate bar in mustard color, and I think for me this is a beige. I never have a beige color bag. I was like closing up closely, guys, if they have some thread is missing. I'm not sure it is. So I seen one dirt from this one. I don't know if you can remove that or not. It's like a very stain, but I'm worried about to scratch that or something. I seen a little bit like marks on it or dirt. Yeah, it has a little bit as well here, as you can see this part over here, the back as well. And to be honest with you guys, this is a really cute bag. Would you admit that this is really cute bag? And the zipper, it's really nice. I just, like I said, guys, I'm not really good. I'm not really good like checking the fake or not of the bag unless I'm comparing with my other bag. This is a vintage bag, and you cannot tell if you have a vintage bag as well. Well, this one is a vintage as well, and like I said, I will do more research about this bag, and I will ask my partner about this, should I keep it or not. I seen a little bit of dirt, like I said. Now it's like the light is shining to it, and so yeah, and I really love this. I never had a patent bag, and hopefully it will be last long, and hopefully it doesn't crack. Well, good thing about here in UK is it doesn't really hot, but in case if we move somewhere really hot, that's what I'm worried about. But apart from that, it's really cute bag, and yeah, there you go, guys. This is another fine vintage find This is another vintage find that I found from the website that I always check, the designerexchange.co.uk. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.